Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Nursery to Varsity. It is an initiative to enlighten the global public with the knowledge of several miscellaneous fields. I am one of the members of Nursery to Varsity, and in this series of channel I am going to discuss logic in computer science. So let's start today's topic. First we see the common assumptions about the logic. So here we are. So the logic is a basic of all mathematical reasoning and of all automated reasoning. It is the mathematical base of computer science, and logic have been called the calculus of computer science. So these three are the basic assumptions about the logic related to computer science. So to move forward, we are going to discuss about few definitions about logic. So here is our first definition, that logic is not about finding out what is true and what is false. It is about, or it is focused on how we reliably get a conclusion from the given assumption. So for this I can share one example with you all. Like we have two statements. Our first statement it says that if demand arises, then company expand, and our second statement is if company expand, then they will hire the employees. So what is conclusion here? The conclusion we can say, if demand arises, then company will hire the employees. So this is a type of logic. So logic is not about figuring out what is true, what is false, but it's about finding the reliable conclusion from the given assumptions. Our second definition is, any formal system can be considered as logic if it has three properties. One is a well-defined syntax, a well-defined semantic, and a well-defined proof theory. And if we consider about our third definition, it consists of three words, that is, logic is a truth preserving system. In this, if we talk about truth preserving system, there is initial statements are true and we are considering that inference statement should be true. If we talk about system is a set of transformation based on the syntax. And if we talk about inference is a process from where we are deriving our new statement from the given old statement. So these are the three basic definitions about the logic. Now if we move towards the logic roles in our life, so if we talk about the computer professional perspective, so logic is to develop a language for a situation we encountered in our day-to-day life, or we can say we are talk about the formal languages. Formal languages are needed because logicians were failed to express their feeling in natural language. Then they are moved towards the formal language, and formal language consists of mainly two types. One is prepositional language and second one is propositional logic, and second one is predicate logic. So we will discuss propositional logic and predicate logic in our next lectures. And we can say that if we talk about any applications of logic, so apart from the understanding of basic mathematical reasoning, application of logic can be considered in computer science. Here I have discussed few examples in the terms of computer science subject where logic is going to apply. So in computer architecture we are dealing with logic gates. In software engineering we are dealing with specification and verification. In programming language we are dealing with semantic and logical programming. If we talk about database, it means we are talking about SQL and relational algebra. And if we talk about artificial intelligence, it means we are talking about the proven theorems or automatic proven theorem. So this is about the application of logic. So it's all about the logic definition, basic what is logic and how it's dealing in our day-to-day life. The example which we have covered, like the company expanded, and the application in which area logic is going to affect us. So this is all about today's lecture. Hope you have enjoyed this lecture. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. You can see the links here. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Keep learning.